Some come from riches, some are born of the fruit of their hands, while others are formed in factories in search of a better land. Oh, we move as a mountain, I will not tremble at the weight of our plans. All in all, we scan the horizon in search of a better land. All together, we are an orchid, bursting through the rubble of hay. We are fragile, oh so fragile, it's our greatest strength. And we'll build it, not in our image, but in who we plan to be. We'll have room to grow, these seeds we've sown, stretching outwards towards the breach. Gather your love, shine your light, be the first morning rays after a long dark night. Join your hands, open your hearts. It's just one small step, but hell, that's how all the big things start in our search for a better land. It is here, not in the future, but within our outstretched reach. For the brave and crazy among us are howling at the moon and stomping our feet. Just as the restless must always find a place to lay their heads down to sleep, so do the lepers living within us see themselves in the eyes of the righteous indeed. It's either all or in, none of it is worth its weight in salt. We're just vessels for cosmic exploration, wondering if we'll finally answer the call to gather your love, shine your light, be the first morning rays after a long dark night. Join your hands, open your heart. It's just one small step, and that's how all the big things start. Gather your love, shine your light, be the first morning rays after a long dark night. Join your hands, open your heart. It's just one small step, but hell, that's how all the big things start in our search for a better land.
Thank you very much.